Hi, I'm going to show you how to install and launch Vega if, like me, you're a PC user using Outlook on your desktop and using the old legacy version of Outlook. So those three criteria, legacy Outlook, desktop, and PC, will just result in you having the same environment as the one I'm showing now, so you'll be able to follow. The first place you can find Vega is through the so-called Outlook ribbon at the top. You have this waffle-shaped icon. Or the second place is the exact same waffle-shaped icon in the left menu. I'm going to pick this one for this example. Then next I will add apps here. I'm landing in the Microsoft App Store. I just type Vega and here's the app. So I want to click add here. After a couple of seconds, Microsoft is sending us a very important message. So we want to pay attention here because this matters. It tells us I can use Vega while reading emails, also known as the read mode. And second, I can use Vega while composing or typing emails, aka the compose mode. So please keep those two modes in mind. Read mode, when I'm just reading a thread or an email chain or a single email. Read mode, and compose mode when I'm typing or writing something for someone to read. This will be very important and you'll understand why in a minute. So now I just press OK, go back to my home page. The very first thing you want to do here is navigate to those three little dots, go to the bottom of this list, find the Vega icon, right click, not left, just a right click for now, and pin to ribbon. When you've just installed Vega, the app is not pinned to the ribbon. You have to proactively do it. This will allow you to have Vega readily available here. So I really advise you to do this as the first step. Three little dots, right click, pin to ribbon. So now Vega is available. I can open any thread, let's say this one, start the Vega app. This is the interface that you'll be using and leveraging. It's a pretty flexible one. You can expand, drag the edge, collapse. What I like to do is also zoom a little bit. And what is important here is that you have to understand this is the read mode. So the second thing you want to do after you pinned Vega to the ribbon is you want to pin it in the read mode. This way, when I navigate to any other thread, Vega is already available and I can very quickly take action. So let's say here I can say craft a response. Vega will just create my output and I can insert draft, and it's pretty fast, makes me very, very productive. If I did not pin Vega and I visited another thread, I would have to click the icon again, which is suboptimal. So really you want to pin it in the read mode. Now remember, there is a second mode which is called the compose mode. So if I start replying to Clark and Linda here, I will leave the read mode. And Vega was never pinned in the compose mode. So I'm in a mode, compose, where Vega was not pinned, so it's not available to me anymore. What I want to do is open it again and make sure I pin it here. This way, anytime I start a new email or I start replying or I enter the compose mode again, Vega will be here at my fingertips. So here I can insert draft. I can go to another thread, let's say Ben Lewis here, hit reply, leave the read mode and go into the compose mode. But remember, I've just pinned Vega in the compose mode, so it's already available. And I can do respond along these lines, tell them I can make 9 a.m. work. It's really helping me be very fast, very efficient, all day, every day. Insert draft. When I start an email from scratch, and I go to home and new email, I'm in the compose mode here. And remember, Vega was pinned in the compose mode, so it's already available here. So if you have to take two things away from this little tutorial, is first, pin Vega to the ribbon with the three little dots here when you start right after installing Vega. And second, when you start your day, pin Vega in the read mode, and then pin it once in the compose mode. For the rest of the day, or actually until you turn off your computer, Vega will be here at your fingertips, saving you a couple of minutes every time. Thank you, and if you need any help, feel free to reach out at support@vegamind.com. Bye.